Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add someone in WhatsApp group. To start the process, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now tap on any group. Here tap on group name. Then tap on add. To add contacts to the group, select the people you want to add. Tap on tick icon. As you can see, our contact has been added. Now scroll down and tap on invite via link. Here tap on send link via WhatsApp. To add contacts to your group, select them and send them the group code. As you can see, our code has been sent. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.